Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to create an art portfolio website using the Canva websites builder. So first you have to come to this URL. I will put it in the description. And then you have to scroll down if you want to choose a template. If you want to do it from scratch, you can start it here. But I suggest using a template because they have so many good templates. So this one I like it the most. It's already built with for the art portfolio. So let's click on this one. Once it is loaded, you'll be able to see that they did a great job with all the informations. You just have to edit and change. So let's say you want to change the name, and you can just right click here and change it. So I don't know what name to put. I'll just put example. Okay, so after that, since you're a visual artist, or if you're any type of other artist, or if you're a photographer, you can just put that here too. Okay, you can write a little bit of your bio, and after that there's an image that I'm guessing you want to have your own image, so you have to upload your image to the uploads, and then just drag it here. Just put it here, and it's been selected. And after that, let's say you want to change the images here with your own image. I'll just use some stock images, so I'll just write art, and let's say this one. It's just for the sake of the design to show you. You can just use your own. You'll be using your own images definitely. And here's a note says to get to know my art. You can put internal links. Let's say you want to people to contact you. You can just click on the contact, and it will, when people clicks here, it will go to the contact. So let's preview this to see like whether it works. Let's preview, give it a little bit of time to load, and click here, get to know my art. See, this is bringing to the contact me page. Here you will have your own information. I will show you how to do that. Okay, let's close it. You can also send people to other websites, external ones. Let's say like you want people to go to the etsy.com, and you have your own website or listing. You just have to put the whole URL here, and then when people click here, they will just go over there. Okay, so we'll just revert it back to what we have already here. Okay, and then you can put more informations. You can change these headers. You just have to select, and you just change it. You can change the font from here and size, and if you want, you can change the background color too. Let's say like you want to have this color here. Let's go with this one. So we can pretty much do a lot of the stuff here. And these images, they are using frame. So when you drag an image here, it will be automatically adjusted. So you just put your own informations over there. There are a couple of other text box here. You can always change the text box. You can also delete them. If you want to add more text, you just have to come to the text section and just drag and drop here. They have a lot of different combinations. A lot of them are paid, but they also have free ones you can choose. I use a lot of them from here. Okay, so then it continues. You put your informations, probably some like what you did before, your galleries and exhibitions, and just like we showed above, you can always put links to these places, and if people want to know more about your work, they will be able to go to those pages. Or maybe you want people to buy from some galleries, you can just link it from here. Same goes for here. This is a portfolio, your sample works. You put through your images, and again you can choose from the upload sections. You upload it and put it here. And let's say you want to have more, you can just click here, and you can just duplicate it, duplicate page. This is duplicated, so if you have a lot of works done and if you want to show them on your website, you can just do it from here. Well, you put your informations, a lot of the stuff, they are great. You can also change the fonts here too, just in case if you don't like these fonts. Okay. And then again, this is a big one, I think. We can, if you want, you can change it like this way. Then a little bit of informations about you, your images and other. If you have a show going on, you can put them here, and you can also embed stuff from other websites. If the gallery you're working with, and if they have any YouTube videos of your stuff, you can just put it here. You can put YouTube and you can resize it. It's very simple. Like, it's amazing. Like, let's say like I'll do it like this. We'll make it a little bit smaller. So like they also have rulers, so you know that you're not making any problematic changes. You just put your YouTube description here, and it goes for other pages too. You can put this on the other pages too. That's pretty much it. And more informations and timeline if you want. They have tons of other elements that you can use. Let's say like you want to use a paint brush, you can go to the graphics and click see all. They have free options too. You can select them from here. I don't know, I'm just showing you like the stuff that you can, if you want, you can put. It looks better, I think, in my opinion. They also have a lot of other elements related to the art and stuff. So after that, you have the last page is the contact me page. You put your informations and stuff, and after that you can change your address. And if you have a shop or a gallery that you want to showcase, you can also click on the Google map, and here you just have to put the address. Just go to Google map and find the address and click embed, and then you just have to resize it and make it look good. You got it. You will be able to do that, I know. Most of the people, they like to put Google map on their contact me page. So this is how you build a portfolio website. You can always change the order of the pages. You can just click move up, but ideally the contact us page, they are actually put on the bottom of the website. This is a kind of a parallax website. So, but you want people to be able to find your products easily. So I suggest having a couple of these boxes on the top, so make it easier for people to find your website work from the fast menu. This is called above the fold. So when people are on your website, so they just can see it. And after that, you can, this one is, you can put to the contact us and get to know my art or buy my art. You can put external links or internal links. You can sell it. And after, when you're ready with the website, it's time to publish the website. So hit the publish website here. So they have a couple of options. You can use their free domain, but I suggest getting a domain from get a new domain. If you already have a domain, you can bring your own domain, but you'll have to pay. Like, you have to pay for their pro account. But if you don't want to do that, and you can just buy a new domain from them, you just have to pay 25 Canadian dollars. I'm guessing it's less in USD, and then hit continue, and you just pay and you get your own domain, the one you select. Then the website will be live on that URL. It's a very simple way. You don't have to worry about designs, and you don't have to worry about hostings and a lot of the other technical stuff. And the website is looks good, right? So after we hit the preview, so this is what we're seeing. They also have animations, as you can see, like you can turn them off if you don't like, but this one is cool. I like it. And they have links, canvas, information. We change the color here. You can do the same with the other pages. You can put your information, sample works, portfolio, link it to the Etsy pages or Behance pages or anywhere you sell or the gallery you work with, and more of your information on the contact me page. So I hope I have helped you to create an art portfolio website. And if you like the video, please thumbs up, because I put a lot of information on these videos, and I'll be adding more of these website buildings techniques. And do not forget to subscribe. Thanks a lot.